Hare Krishna. Welcome back to video for the day. This is Sankarshan Dasadikari speaking to you from Los Angeles, California, USA. You know, the problem with our modern day society is we've totally lost our touch with nature. And nature ultimately means spiritual nature. The material nature is a manifestation of the spiritual nature. So in other words, getting back to your natural self, you see, that is the spiritual nature. To misidentify with matter is unnatural. Therefore, it's not satisfactory. It doesn't make one happy. It leaves one frustrated. When we get back in touch with the actual nature of the self, which is qualitatively one with that supreme personality of God, it is the source of all existence, then we can relish unlimited happiness at every minute. So by hearing from the bona fide spiritual master, by hearing from the Vedic scriptures, one can actually get realigned, resituated back in their original natural consciousness. Take advantage of a human form. The animals and the plants have no choice. They just have to keep observing the material nature, you see. But the human being has the opportunity to transcend the material nature and reconnect, fully absorb himself in his original spiritual nature, which is eternal, full of knowledge and bliss. So take advantage of the spiritual master, take advantage of the Vedic wisdom, and get back to your original, unlimitedly blissful self. This is called Krishna consciousness. And we invite you all to taste it, to experience it, to relish it at every minute. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.